Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. This is my 17th video tutorial on Python programming. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna explain how we can find the current date and time in Python. My previous video was also on the same topic, but I used a different method for calculating or finding out the date and time. The method was I imported a module called date, time and calculator. Now in this video, I'm gonna show how we can use a time module or timestamp method to calculate date and time. So let's get started. I'll import time module. It has a function called time, so I'll use it function time from the time module. So this gives me the current timestamp. Timestamp is basically number of seconds elapsed from new year, that is 1st Jan 2018 12 am till your current time. So how this timestamp is very useful to calculate different data. Let's see. There's a method called local time which gives us as an argument, it takes the current timestamp and gives us the complete data of year, month, date, time. It is 2:17 am and it's the 6th day of the week. It's 175th day of the year and daylight saving is 0, as it in my country the daylight saving is 0. Now it works on 24-hour format and the day is 6th day. It means it's Sunday. The numbering starts from 0. Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 2, Thursday is 3, Friday is 4, Saturday is 5 and Sunday is 6. So that's the reason it's 6. Now let's make it more pleasant or more human readable. So there is a function called SCTime. So before, when we used local time function, it gave me a value containing 9 item tuple. Now ASCTime function gave me string which has the same data of Sunday 24th June date and year. Now this is one of the method which you can use to calculate the current date and time using the timestamp. Now let's say you want to calculate or you want to know the year which has already been passed or the year which is going to pass. So let's make a tuple having year 1996, the year which I was born, the month, then comes the day. Okay, then let's say it works on 24-hour format, so I'm taking 2 p.m. which is 14, then 0 or 0, it's 2 p.m. basically. Now, or you can take 30, then 20 which is 2:30. Now I don't know the day, so I'll take 0. I don't know the total the day of the year, so I'll take 0 as well and daylight saving as 0. So my tuple has been created. Now this method is called MKTime method or MKTime. So let's see. Let's calculate the timestamp of it. Name of the tuple. What is the mistake I have done over here? The spelling of the tuple, I wrote the wrong spelling, that's the reason it gave me an error. So this is the current timestamp of that year, 1996, 13 Feb 1996, 2:30 p.m. Now using the same timestamp we can calculate the complete 9 item tuple, because the 3 items over here is been missing. So let's see how, using the same local time method. Here we pass the time stamp. So the timestamp over in this case is this, so I'll pass the same over here. Yeah, so we got 1996 second month 13th day 14:30, which is 2:30 p.m. It is the second day of the week, which means it's Tuesday. It is the 44th day of the year and daylight saving is 0. So in this way you can calculate or you can find out any of the time stamp of any year which you want. Now if you want to verify the day of 1996 is Tuesday, you can just import calendar, then use a calendar.month, which is 1996 and second, and then print cal. So yeah, here we got the calendar, and as you can see 13th Feb is Tuesday. So I hope you have understood it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye bye.